I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics that actually change loudness. Charge both AirPods above 50% and pair to your iPhone, then update firmware if available. Once done, clean the speaker meshes carefully with a soft brush. Debris cuts volume. Make sure the fit is snug in your ear. Poor seal kills bass and perceived loudness. Finally, disable any iOS volume limit and raise system volume to about 50% for testing before further tweaks. Next, you open sound settings and tailor the signal. Use iOS settings right arrow music, right arrow EQ, and pick a preset like late night or bass booster to increase perceived loudness. These compress dynamics so quieter parts are louder. Once set, go to accessibility right arrow audio/visual and check balance. Shift toward the quieter bud. Make sure phone noise cancellation is appropriate for your environment because it affects clarity. If needed, try a trusted third-party app to push output slightly higher while watching for distortion. Finish with physical and recovery steps that solve most remaining issues. Try foam tips or alternate sizes to get a tight seal. Use the finger tap test to confirm bass and loudness. If performance is still weak, reset your AirPods and check battery health. Low cell voltage reduces max volume. For boosts beyond software, use a portable amp or compatible hearing assistance feature. If something goes wrong, clean again, reset, and pair to another device to determine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.